In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ignore emails in Outlook. This simple yet powerful feature can help you manage your inbox more effectively by keeping unnecessary email threads out of sight and out of mind. We all know how quickly email conversations can clutter up your inbox, especially when they grow into long threads with replies that aren't directly relevant to you. So let's dive into how you can easily ignore these conversations in Outlook. To start, you'll want to open Outlook and navigate to your inbox. Once you're there, scan through your emails and find the conversation or specific email that you want to ignore. You can recognize these often by the lengthy reply chains or the subject line that doesn't require your immediate attention. Once you've identified the email or conversation, click on it to highlight your selection. Next, look towards the top of your Outlook window, where you'll find a series of menu options. You'll need to click on Home, which is typically found on the left side of the menu bar. After selecting the Home tab, look for the Ignore button in the Mailbox tools. It might not jump out at you right away, but it's there, waiting to help tidy up your inbox. By pressing this Ignore button, you're telling Outlook to file away that conversation into your deleted items folder. It's like hitting the mute button on those discussions you find unimportant. Alternatively, if you prefer another method, Outlook allows for a quick right-click action to ignore emails. Simply right-click on the email or conversation you've marked as unnecessary. This action will bring up a context menu with various options. You'll see Ignore among these choices. Click on it, and a prompt will appear asking if you're sure you'd like to ignore the conversation. Confirm your decision in the prompt. This is Outlook's way of making sure you really want to divert future messages in that thread away from your inbox. By following these steps, Outlook will automatically move not just the current conversation, but also any future replies in that same thread directly to your deleted items folder. This means you won't have to deal with ongoing notifications from threads that aren't pertinent to your work or interests. It's a straightforward process that can free up your time and energy to focus on what truly matters in your inbox. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to ignoring emails and conversations in Outlook. This trick helps keep your inbox streamlined and allows you to concentrate on tasks that require more attention. Remember, the goal is to optimize your email management, so feel free to use this feature as needed to maintain order in your digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.